welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So today we have service lights on our BMW M6. So I'm going to go ahead and show you step by step on how to reset the service light so then it doesn't show up on the dashboard anymore. But all right, well, let's get started. Okay, so what we want to do is take our key, go ahead and put the key in the little slot right here, there. And only press this once, but don't hold the brake. Okay, so you want to get to this screen, and on our infotainment system right here, go into I, so press this down. Info sources, click that, and you want to go to service info right here. There we go. And then you can tell, you click down and you can tell what needs to be reset. So spark plugs and vehicle check. You can scroll down and it tells you when it's going to need to be done, basically. But all right, so now we know what needs to be reset. So spark plugs and then the vehicle check. We go back to our screen over here. Press, hold this. Keep holding it. There we go. So do you see the spark plug popped up? Press, hold. So reset. Press, hold it. There we go. So that one's done. Go to the next one. Press, hold. Reset. Press, hold it. All right, reset. And that should, you can scroll through, see what else needs to be done, but that's it. And then you go back over to the screen and it's all reset in the green. So now we won't have that pop up anymore, but make sure you do the service. Mine is just spark plugs and I've done the spark plugs already, but all right. Well, I hope this information helps. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button.